2.48?
One decimal point.
Okay, so what she did was she did 2 steps in one there. She did tan of 51 is 1.2348, which is good, and then times that by 11. If you just want to do in your calculator that, go right ahead. Okay, what is my final answer? Courtney, did you get an answer for that? Go ahead. A little slower, 13 point. 5828. Okay, can somebody confirm that? Does that look sort of good? Is anyone unable to get that? Please be brave.
I have 5838.
Is that what it is? 5838? Okay, it probably stop. Okay, probably the difference is this. If you rounded for this, if you use the entire number like 1051 and the 58 digits and times by 11 versus just rounding here, that's probably the difference is. Okay, I'm not too concerned over that right now. Okay, what I am concerned is
Typing, if you do find the 10, just leave it in your calculator.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Instead of clearing it and typing it all again.
yeah, because it's the same thing you're doing, right? And as I was trying to say before, it's just so easy to make a mistake as you go. All right, please put a star and a heart beside this question. Okay, this one has got 2 things that are different. Okay. Cam, wake up. It's your birthday. Wake up. Kim, since you yawned in my class, this is a right angle triangle. Okay? Just like at the beginning of the class, when you see a right angle triangle, what would be the first thing you would do to a right angle triangle? Good, good. You would do that, good, if you were looking for the hypotenuse here. Okay, here's the 2 sides. This is the thing with this triangle. I only have one side and an angle, right? So I can't just use Pythagorean and theorem. I'm going to hope that you label opposite adjacent hypotenuse. That's going to be the first step. So Ken, can you label opposite adjacent hypotenuse for me? Go ahead.
Label the what?
Like the opposite side and the adjacent side of the hypotenuse. Remember that sheet I gave you?
Yeah.
So go ahead. What's what? Yeah, so the top one there, good.
The bottom is the AJ.
Yeah, ADJ, good.
And then the other one is opposite.
Okay, now one thing I'll actually put on the board for you, right, I'll give this to you as a given right now, but what I wrote in your notes, and this will be on the board for you, and we'll talk about this a little later on, we're going to say that tan of theta is your opposite divided by your adjacent. That's just a rule of life. Okay, and I think actually somewhere, I'll find it for tomorrow. I actually have a piece of paper. Sorry, Spider-Man. Oh, this is going to be a disaster. It's going to see me throw it all. Okay, there is somewhere on here. So this will be up on the board here throughout the whole year for you guys to read it.
Even during the test?
Yeah, even during the test. I think, so, actually, let me rephrase. I think for the test, I'll just write the acronym on the board. Okay, but this is just for all the stuff with tan. So tan here is, before it looks like a lot, it's just going to be the relationship between the opposite and the adjacent. So that's what I wrote on the board there. What I need now is someone brave that can tell me, please, what is the opposite side, what is the adjacent side, and what is theta for this shape right there? Oh, this is a disaster. I'm going to take some stuff off the ground here. What's theta in this case? What's theta?
Theta is 28.
28 degrees. So we're going to say in this case, tan of 28 degrees is your theta. Okay, so everyone see that? Your theta is going to be your angle. Okay? What is the opposite side? What is the opposite side?
14.
Here, go ahead. 14, good. And what's your adjacent then? Here, X, good. Okay. How do we solve for this? Does this look scary?
Not really.
Jake, go ahead.
I don't know.
Okay, this is where if you're fading out, I need you to fade in because this is the most important part of the day. Tan 28, I want to change it to this. Why would I do that? Just try and focus here, guys. Don't fade out. I know it's the first day back. Why would I make that divided by 1? What can I do now to solve for this? Yes. Lisa, go ahead. Now you can cross multiply. Someone see that? Now I can just cross multiply. So what it's going to be, I'm going to say x times tan 28 is equal to 14. Everyone got that? See that? You're good? Yeah? Okay, so x times tan 28 is equal to 14. Now for the hard part. How do you get x by itself?
Move it.
Sorry? Go ahead. Not tan squared to tan 28. What's x times 29 is tan 28? How do you get rid of tan 28? So what you should do in your calculator is 14 divided by tan 28. Okay? You should just do 14 divided by tan 28. We'll do another one of these to make sure this is good. This will write this there for you guys. So, what is 14 divided by tan 28? Take a second, try it out. Then give everyone 30 seconds to do 14 divided by tan 28. And then I'm going to Riley since I haven't picked on you for some reason today yet. Riley, I'm giving the rest of the class 30 seconds to catch up to you though. I didn't like how I was just dropping things. I just I didn't like that.
Maybe you need like less things in here.
I know. Okay, Riley, 14 divided by tan 28. Type it in, please. What do we got? If I had to guess, it's going to be like 40. That's my guess. If you want.
It's kind of catchy. I remember
It's
that.
totally catchy. You remember Sesame Street? Yeah.
I never watched Sesame Street. I was always into movies that I watched over and over and over again. Like the Iron Giant. Oh, Iron Giant's so good.
Alright.
My mom wanted to sell it. We had like
Go ahead.
we have it on like
Yeah, it's fine.
VHS and she wanted to sell it.
I got the
Letter.
Go ahead,
Had
Jess.
stuff somewhere.
Yeah, go ahead. What's your next? No, that's just what tan.
We don't even have a
so.
VHS.
Okay, guys, let's try this out here, please. I'm going to show you the way this is going to go. If you need to write this out, tan 28, what it might be a good idea to do, because I know some people are having some troubles with this, let's go to count, and we're going to go 28 and hit tan. 28, tan is equal to 0.5317, okay? So if you want to, you can just do x is equal to, whoops, 14 divided by 0.5317, which should be about 27.
That's what I said.
Sure it is.
Right, so 26.33.
That's just, that's 10.
So what all you found out was tan 22 equals at the end. Okay, so you did this, but then you'd have to put in your equals or whatever at the end. And you should get the right answer then. Okay. Okay, so everyone take a second right now, please, folks. Okay, guys, take a moment, please, and make sure you can get that. Okay, because this is really important for tomorrow. All you're going to have tomorrow is a ton of triangles like this. That's all tomorrow's going to be. I'm going to stop talking for a moment. I'm going to write one on the board. I'd like you to try it out yourselves right now.
Example
9. Oh, goodness.
That's great. Excuse me.
I don't know what just happened there at all.
Okay, press, hold on, press this button.
Which one?
That one.
Go. Okay, stop. Stop. Whatever you're thinking of doing, don't do it. Don't. Don't listen to them.
It should have worked.
There we go. Okay, let's stop recording for a sec.
said,